All right, so I've been wanting to do this video for a while and just haven't gotten around to it. So here I am up on Skyline in Napa, mountain biking, and just thought it'd be a great time to sit down, do a little video, and talk about home inspections. So last fall, I did an inspection for this lady, and didn't realize that at the time. I showed up at the house and kind of like, oh, this looks a little bit familiar. Well, as I started talking with my client, she's like, oh, well, you've done this inspection for me when I bought the house 3 years ago. And I'm like, well, why are you having me back? And she's like, well, the roof is leaking. And I'm like, okay. Well, I mean, it turned out she wasn't really in the house a lot for the last 3 years. Now she had moved in full time. But my question to you is, what do you do with that inspection report? If you don't look at it, why spend the money for it? As it turned out, I called out a number of broken tiles up on the roof 3 years ago, and then when the rainy season came about, the roof started leaking. And went up on the roof, and sure enough, same broken tiles that were there 3 years ago, but now there's a bunch of water damage inside the house. And just like, if you're not gonna do anything with the time and money spent doing these inspections, why bother doing it? I know your real estate agents are probably going to push for those to cover their butt, but yeah, again, it's like, get those reports, download them, breeze through them. You should go over them with your agent. And with my company, I always encourage the buyers and clients, sellers, agents to join me for a walkthrough at the end of the inspection, so that the stuff kind of makes sense when you get the report, or at least you know what's going on. If you choose not to open the report, it's like, hey, you said something about the roof. I gotta check that out. I'm gonna hire a roofer. Whatever it is. It's just get in there, look at the report, breeze through it. Again, we have an executive summary at the front of the report, which highlights all the health and safety issues as well, or just important issues. So like, say there's a bunch of failed window seals. Now that's not a health and safety issue, but it is costly. So if you got 10 windows with failed seals, that's going to be, I don't know, 6 to 10 grand to replace those windows. That's a considerable amount of money. So things like that would go in there. But yep, point is, get out and ride bikes. Look at those inspection reports. Have a great day.